अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आज जिस टॉपिक पे हम बात करने जा रहे हैं वो है पोस्ट मॉडर्न एज। तो पोस्ट मॉडर्न एज को समझने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें समझना होगा कि मॉडर्न एज क्या है। फ्रेंड्स, बेसिकली मॉडर्न एज वो एज है जो विक्टोरियन एरा के बाद स्टार्ट हुई थी और वर्ल्ड वॉर टू से पहले जितना भी टाइम पीरियड है दैट इज़ कंसिडर्ड इनटू मॉडर्न पीरियड। बट एज सुन एज देयर वाज द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर ended in 1945, there started post modern period and the literature is considered as the post modern literature. तो आज हम बात करेंगे पोस्ट मॉडर्न एज के बारे में, हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड के बारे में। फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो के दो पार्ट्स होंगे। एक पार्ट में हम बात करेंगे पोस्ट मॉडर्न एज के बारे में एंड देन इन अनदर वीडियो वी विल टॉक अबाउट पोस्ट मॉडर्न लिटरेचर और लिटरेरी मूवमेंट्स के बारे में। तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे वर्ल्ड वॉर टू के बारे में कि तो वर्ल्ड वॉर टू ब्रॉट अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन इन दी वर्ल्ड एंड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ दैट डिस्ट्रक्शन द लिटरेचर, द मूवमेंट, द पीपल्स लाइफ स्टाइल वॉज कम्प्लीटली चेंज। तो सबसे पहले हमें यह समझना है कि देयर वॉज अ चेंज ऑफ सुपर पावर। बिफोर द वर्ल्ड वॉर टू, वर्ल्ड मोर देन हाफ पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वॉज बींग कंट्रोल्ड बाय ब्रिटेन। ब्रिटेन ने कंट्रोल किया था, कॉलोनाइज किया था। तो एज सुन एज देयर वाज सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर वॉज अबाउट टू एंड, तो ब्रिटेन इट्सेल्फ कंसिडर्ड कि नाउ दे आर नो लॉन्गर इन पावर। तो वो पावर में नहीं है क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी अफवाज और मुल्क की इकॉनमी इतनी वीक हो चुकी थी मुसलसल वॉर्स के ज़रिए की वजह से, तो वो इतना ज़्यादा कंट्रोल में नहीं रह सके थे। बट एट दी व्हेन दी इन द वर्ल्ड सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर, अमेरिका थ्रू टू एटम बॉम्ब्स एट नागासाकी एंड हिरोशिमा, जापान पे जब ये दो बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट किए थे, तो एज अ रिज़ल्ट ऑफ दैट बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट इन लिटिल मैन एंड फैट बॉय के अमेरिका डिक्लेयर्ड itself as the super power country. So there was one thing which was very significant, there was super power as America was declared. Now secondly, the Cold War. कोल्ड वॉर क्या है? द कोल्ड वॉर इज़ अ सिविल वॉर, कि वो जो लोग मुल्क के अंदर एक वॉर होती है, दैट इज़ इंटरनल वॉर थ्रू पॉलिटिकल, थ्रू इकोनॉमिक एंड थ्रू कल्चरल वेज। द वॉर इज़ वेज देर आर द क्लेश ऑफ व्यूज़ among the countries, that is known as the Cold War. There was lot of genocide, people were dying, people were being killed. So there was these factors were very much important. And after that we will talk about the technology. The technology was of the two kinds. The first technology was of the nuclear technology. As the America excelled, America became the superpower, the other countries were also trying to become nuclear power. Gradually they were in a effort to become nuclear power, so work was being done. And apart from that, there was a technology being introduced. Remember friends, in the modern age, in the Victorian age, Darwin had already initiated that the humans are created of the apes. So people's belief in the Christianity was a lot much shattered. So people started disbelieving and they were completely in the shock. So that was the start that the science was coming into the age, and that was the shattering the belief of the people. So still there was the people's belief before the World War II, but as soon as there was the World War II, people started disbelieving. They started thinking that the world is a fragmented thing, world is a fragmented part, and there is a meaninglessness of life. So the meaninglessness is also very important factor of the postmodern age. We must consider it. And after that friends, there was multiple interpretations were introduced. There was not a single interpretation. किसी भी चीज़ का एक interpretation नहीं लिया जाता था, multiple interpretations consider किए जाते थे of any literary work. So for example, we have the example of German writer Franz Kafka, who has written Metamorphosis. तो Metamorphosis literary work में Franz Kafka describes that there is a salesman who overnight is transformed into a cockroach. So with this is sudden change, that was also a shocking change, whose family was completely disturbed, and the character who was a salesman himself was completely disturbed. So there are three themes which are being discussed in this novel Metamorphosis. One is the burden of responsibility, because he was a supporter of the family, he was earning for the family, now he was sitting, he was in form of a cockroach, he was not able to do that. Second theme is of the sacrifice, because he was sacrificing, he was he was working for the family, and he was supporting it. And the third was that the family started hating him because he was earning for his family, he was struggling for the family. Once he was sitting as a cockroach, he was not able to do that. So the family was always thinking that now he is no more useful for us. That is a multiple interpretation. And likewise in so many other works there you will find in the postmodern literature, there were the multiple interpretations or more than one meanings were introduced. And then we will discuss about finally post colonialism. फ्रेंड्स, पोस्ट कॉलोनियलिज्म को समझने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले समझना होगा कि कॉलोनियलिज्म क्या है. तो कॉलोनियलिज्म इज़ द पावर, एज आई टोल्ड यू कि बिफोर वर्ल्ड वॉर टू the almost the half of the world was being controlled by the superpowers that at that time was the Britain. So Britain used to control, like we have the example of India and Pakistan. People in the India and Pakistan who were living in the subcontinent, the Muslims and the non-Muslims, they were under the control of the Britishers. They were controlled in their language. Like today they are speaking English language, all of us are speaking English, we feel proud to speak English, and we have adopted their culture, their lifestyle, their dresses. So that is the part of the colonialism. तो लिटरेचर जो colonialism के रिजल्ट में आया था वो लिखा गया था आफ्टर दी पोस्ट colonialism, आफ्टर दी वर्ल्ड वॉर टू पीरियड, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज द पोस्ट colonial लिटरेचर. तो इसमें सबसे जो बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है वो चिनुआ अचीबी के. ही इज़ अ सिग्निफिकेंट नाइजेरियन राइटर, उनका नाम कंसिडर होता है. इन हिज वर्क, इन हिज नॉवल थिंग्स फॉल अपार्ट, हेयर ही टॉक्स अबाउट कि हाउ ब्रिटेन केम टू देयर विलेज and they shattered the beliefs the people, their forefathers used to believe for the many years, many centuries back. And there was now their lifestyle was completely changed. So that sudden change was being described as a post-colonial result, and this is the example. Hope friends you like my video, and if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and keep sharing with your friends. Thank you so much.